Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that every entrepreneur, strategist, or even a curious learner should know: PESTLE analysis. If you are planning to launch a business or just want to understand how external factors impact companies, stay tuned. Let's break it down simply and practically. Alright, so what exactly is PESTLE? It's a tool, yes, a framework used by businesses to understand the outside world they operate in. The name is actually a acronym for six type of external factors. P for political, E for economical, S for social, T for technological, L for legal, and E for environmental. Each of these can significantly influence a business success. Now you might ask, why bother with it? Well, imagine launching a product in a new country, only to realize later there's a legal ban or high taxes on it. Pastel helps you see those risks beforehand and also uncover opportunity you might have missed. Smart businesses always look outside, not just inside. Now, some of you may know code. We have discussed about it in previous video. Strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat. So how is Pastel different? Simple. SWOT looks both inside and outside of the company, but Pastel is laser focused on the external environment. Think of Pastel as your business weather forecast. It prepares you for the storm or sunshine ahead. Let's talk about political factors. This includes things like government policies, political stability, or trade regulations. For example, a government might offer tax benefit to EV manufacturers, or it might suddenly impose import duties. Understanding this helps you avoid surprises. Next comes the economic factors. These shape customers' spending and your pricing strategies. Think interest rates, inflation, GDP, and exchange rates. If inflation is high, customer cut back on spending. If interest rates are low, investment increase. So yeah, the economy and your business are best friends or worst enemies. Now let's talk society. Social factor reflect what people believe, how they live, what they want. For example, an aging population might mean more demand for healthcare. If there's a trend toward veganism, meat businesses need to rethink their strategy. Social trends shape the what and why of buying behavior. Now, let's bundle the last three T, L, and E. Technology is the game changer. AI, automation, digital platforms all disrupt how we work. Legal factors, you can't afford to ignore them. Labor laws, safety rules, consumer protection, they are all must knows. And environmental, this is huge now. From climate change to sustainability, eco consciousness can't be an afterthought anymore. So, when should you actually use Pastel? Launching a new product, entering a new country, strategic planning, risk management are all those times where we should think about pastel analysis. Let's say you are launching an EV in India. Political support for green energy, tech readiness, and environmental concerns all play a big role. That's where pastel becomes your guide. And to wrap up, here's what I want you to remember. Pastel is not just about a boring framework. It's your external awareness radar. It helps you make smarter, safer, and more strategic decisions. So the next time you plan something big, ask yourself, have I checked the pastel? Now, thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps. And tell me in comments what topic you would like me to cover next. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.